Kita mettre vidéo pour là. Vous mettez vidéo pour là. Vous mettez vidéo pour là. Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice. This is nice to be here because we are actually enjoying. We are in a zone where we are in a waterfall. Come close to me. We are in a waterfall, and then it is very important today just to take a rest. You know, we are in Haiti. Haiti is a beautiful country, but the gang army put us to go through. You know, they are burning our house. They kick us out, you know, from our country. We're from Milbalais. This is very important for you, sir, to understand and like and share this video I'm doing for you today. And I'm very happy to make it, and this will be very wonderful. It is a nice pleasure. I'm very happy. Thank you so much. My name is Pastor Jean David as Roses. It is a pleasure, okay? I say thanks to you. Bye-bye. Thank you.